Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at the Amtrak station here in Cumberland, Maryland, and we have a westbound intermodal train heading this way. As you can see, he's about to go under the underpass here. He'll be passing us in just a few seconds. Looks like he's traveling at a restricted speed. Folks, looks like we've got a meet on the CSX. We got an eastbound coming on the opposite track. And it looks like this train might be coming to a stop, so we'll see what both trains are going to do here. That locomotive down there has a GE steel bell. Wow, look at how many units are on this train. Well, I've got one, two. Holy cow, look at that. See, it's at the head end. 7860, 5215, 5356. We got 6 units on that train. 7860, 5215, 5356, 955, 3082, 5204. It's like these are dead in tow. Oh, looks like this is going to be a long train here. This is a former Baltimore and Ohio rail line. B&O merged with the Chesapeake and Ohio in 1973, formed Chessie System. Today, the Chessie System is now part of CSX transportation system. A couple tanker cars. Cumberland Yard is on the other side of this hill here. Alright, so it looks like they're disconnecting a couple sets of units here.